What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I wanted to show you the theme that I have on my Mi 9T Pro, which I think is kind of cool. It's got that Thanos lock screen there. Then you unlock it, and then you got the little theme colors here for your settings and everything, stuff like that. And I found this in the settings, in the themes. It's called Infinity War. So it's real. I'm really liking this, man. This is looking real nice. So you guys want to check that out. Also, the icons are pretty neat. But man, yeah, you check that out. This is a hot looking theme, I think, on the Mi 9T Pro. Yeah, but if you go in here, sorry about the light, into themes, it's on Thanos right now. But you could also, there's some other ones here, some classics, but yeah, if you want to go in here and check these out, there's a lot of different themes that you can do. Sorry about the thumb. I'm just trying to do a third, but there's so many themes. Look at it, so many themes. You got this Dark Fate, multi, all kinds of different themes that are just amazing. So, and you could also, you got a search function there, so you could check those out. But yeah, man, these are really cool themes on the Mi 9T Pro that I'm really enjoying. So yeah, take a look around. You can type in Marvel, you could type in, like I said, Thanos. There's a Blue Dancer. Check out this one. This one's probably tight. Yeah, man, and it shows you too, like how it looks and all that stuff. So check that out, man. I'm Android Stud. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys some of the themes on the Mi 9T Pro that are pretty tight. Peace.